Imagine a world where technology not only assists but also thinks, learns, and evolves. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. This isn't science fiction, it's our reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has woven itself into the fabric of our lives, subtly, yet profoundly. We wake up to AI when our smart alarm clocks decide we've had enough sleep. We commute with AI when our cars suggest the best route to avoid traffic. We work with AI when our emails are auto-sorted into important and promotional categories. We even entertain ourselves with AI when our streaming platforms recommend what to watch next. It's an invisible hand, guiding, assisting, predicting, and personalizing our everyday experiences. From healthcare to entertainment, from finance to education, AI has left no sector untouched, transforming them with its innovative influence. In the realm of apps, AI has brought about a revolution. Today, we are counting down the top 5 AI apps that you must try. Starting our list at number 5, we have Socratic by Google. This ingenious application leverages the power of artificial intelligence to assist students with their homework and academic studies. Imagine having a personal tutor at your fingertips, ready to help you unravel the complexities of algebra or the intricacies of Shakespearean literature. Socratic's AI capabilities go beyond merely providing answers. It delivers step-by-step explanations, allowing you to grasp the underlying concepts and methodologies. Whether you're stuck on a calculus problem or trying to understand a physics concept, Socratic is there for you. This app can analyze questions from a range of subjects and return relevant, understandable solutions. It's like having a knowledgeable companion that never tires or needs a break. From mathematics to science, literature to history, Socratic covers a broad spectrum of academic fields. With Socratic, AI becomes your personal tutor, making learning a breeze. At number 4, making waves in language learning, we have ELSA Speak. This remarkable app is revolutionizing the way we approach language learning. How? It's simple. ELSA Speak harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to help users improve their English pronunciation, making language learning more accessible and effective than ever before. ELSA Speak offers a unique experience. It doesn't just give you lessons, it tailors them to your needs. The app listens to how you speak, identifies your pronunciation pitfalls, and creates personalized lessons to specifically address those areas. It's like having a personal English tutor in your pocket. And that's not all. ELSA Speak provides real-time feedback. It pinpoints your mistakes as you make them, helping you correct your pronunciation on the spot. This immediate response makes your learning process quicker and more efficient. With ELSA Speak, mastering English pronunciation is just an app away. So why not let AI take the lead in your language learning journey? Taking the third spot is Replika, your personal AI friend. Imagine having a buddy who's always there for you, ready to chat at any hour of the day or night. That's exactly what Replika offers. It's an AI with a unique ability to text and call, creating a personal connection with its user. But what sets Replika apart is its ability to learn from your interactions. It evolves with you, understanding your preferences and patterns, your joys and sorrows. It's like having a friend who not only listens but remembers. Replika is more than a chatbot. It's a confidant, a companion, a digital friend who's there to lend an ear when you need it. It's fascinating to see how AI technology has evolved to create such a personal, connected experience. Replika brings companionship into the digital age, proving that AI can be more than just a tool. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is ChatGPT. This revolutionary tool harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to generate human-like text based on the input it's given. It's like having a personal assistant that's both witty and endlessly knowledgeable. Imagine this. You're writing a story, but you're stuck on that final plot twist. Enter ChatGPT. It can help you brainstorm ideas and even write parts of the story for you. Or perhaps you're studying for a test, and you need a simplified explanation of a complex concept. ChatGPT can step in and break things down in an understandable way, but it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT is also a great tool for businesses. It can draft emails, write reports, and even generate code. It's a multifaceted tool that's as versatile as it is efficient. ChatGPT is the perfect example of how AI can enhance our creativity and productivity. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 AI app is, drumroll please, it's none other than Duplex by Google. Duplex is not just another AI application, but it's an advancement that has redefined the boundaries of artificial intelligence. This app is a testament to how far we've come in the world of AI. It's not just about algorithms and computations, but it's about creating an experience that is indistinguishable from human interaction. What makes Duplex stand out is its ability to make real-world phone calls for you. Yes, you heard that right. It can make appointments, book tables at restaurants, or even inquire about business hours. It does this in such a natural, human-like way that the person on the other end of the line may not even realize they're talking to an AI. One of the key features that set Duplex apart is its understanding of complex sentences, fast speech, and long remarks, making it able to handle any curveballs thrown its way during a conversation. It's not just about understanding language, but also about understanding context, nuance, and subtlety. What truly makes Duplex the #1 AI app, however, is its potential. Imagine having an AI assistant that can not only understand your commands but also execute them in the real world. No more forgetting to make that dentist appointment or missing out on booking that popular restaurant because you simply didn't have the time to call. But it's not just about convenience. Duplex is a step towards a future where AI can assist those who need it most: the elderly, the visually impaired, or those with mobility issues. It's about using technology to build a more inclusive world. So there you have it, the top 5 AI apps that are changing the game. Duplex, with its groundbreaking technology and potential, sits at the top of our list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and stay tuned for more fascinating videos from Dose of Digital.